Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate a project in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to duplicate a project, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening your Canva application, you just simply have to tap into these three bars into the top left, and from there you will get to see this projects option into here. Tap into projects option and you will get to see all of the projects that you have into your Canva. Now in order to duplicate the project, just simply tap into these three dots into the project that you want to duplicate, and then it will give you the option of make a copy. Just simply tap into make a copy and Canva will create a duplicate of your project. This way you can easily duplicate a project into Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.